You know, look, like say Jamaicans, them have no chilling at them. Portland, Jamaica. A woman taken out by her ex-lover.
This is where you want to know something I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the air every time.
Yeah, greetings and salutations, families and friends. Look at the screen at this beautiful woman. This is a young woman of Portland, Jamaica. And this situation in Jamaica continue to horrify the population because this young woman was taken out. Her name is, 46-year-old Merlin Whyte. Now, it is something that's bothering me now, people, because I keep on reporting on these atrocious situations. But a woman has been murdered, lover being sought in Portland. And this is Portland's only third murder. A 46-year-old woman was chopped to death, and her community is outraged. Her common law husband is being sought in Portland. Dead is Merlin Whyte, laborer of Comfort Castle, Portland. Her death brings the third for the Portland murder this year. Reports are that there was blood everywhere in the house while Whyte was killed sometimes between 4 to 7 p.m. Wednesday 1st. Her body was found in Comfort Castle in the house of the brother of her common law husband. Her common law husband is Richard Gray, also called Otis, a farmer of Mill Bank in the parish. Police want to contact him as part of an investigation. Gray's brother found the body when he came home from work. Police called to the scene, said Whyte sustained several wounds to her chest and abdominal. Blood was seen all over the living room, bathroom, and kitchen. Reports are that from the blood mark, it appeared that Whyte struggled with her killer. She was taken to the Portland hospital where she was pronounced dead. Ladies and gentlemen, me not know if I know me a telling you, but Jamaican men are some brutal, vicious, wicked people. 46 years old, beautiful, young, vibrant, still have a lot of life. Not no more than the boy jealous. Look how the woman look, beaming, skin cleaning. That means eye daggering skill, if you know what I meaning, is up there. So nothing more than the boy get jealous and couldn't take it. The woman probably did a game bun, because most of the time you see these women dead. That's what's going on. Me don't know what fly up in a them mania head. Ladies and gentlemen, this 46-year-old woman, a beautiful woman of Comfort Castle, Portland, is now dead, and the police are now looking for her common law husband, Richard Gray. If you know this bastard, they say he's also called Otis, report him. He's from Mill Bank in the parish of Portland. Ladies and gentlemen, this has brought Portland's, the serene parish's murder total to 3. Imagine living life in Portland. Beautiful, beautiful. Gray's brother found his sister-in-law's body, said there was blood all over the living room, kitchen, and the bathroom. So it appears that she put up a fight. R.I.P. Miss Whyte, and I hope they catch this murderous plight and give him what he deserves. People, I don't know why Jamaican government is not dealing with these criminals like how deal with people evil. Give them the death penalty that them need. Until we do that, there will be no change in Jamaica's murderous and criminal minds. Listen, leave your comment and let me know what we can do to make Jamaica safe again. I know If you get the death penalty, you're not going to prevent all the quanging, but it's going to decrease. Ladies and gentlemen, R.I.P. to the deceased, and my condolences to her friends and family. Portland, third murder for the year. It's been done by a scoundrel. They call him a common law husband of this woman, Richard Gray, aka Otis. He has taken the life of Marilyn Whyte, a laborer of Comfort Castle, Portland. Unbelievable. Leave your comment to the Rastaman and let me know what we could do to make Jamaica safe again, family.
Yes, sir. You don't know. I and some culture bigging up Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out DBTV.